Hi everyone, and welcome to week 3. Just think, after you submit this week's discussions and assignments, we will be halfway through the course. So congratulations. We're going to talk about healthcare laws and solutions this week. Our competencies are to apply complex healthcare laws and effective solutions within the constraints of policy, law, regulations, and ethical principles in the management of healthcare organizations. Specifically, we're going to identify the purpose of the American Disability Act on a clinical facility. We're going to discuss approaches that healthcare facilities may take to reasonably accommodate employees and consumers in order to comply with the laws. We're going to articulate 3 major legal, ethical, human resource labor laws. And we're going to identify labor laws' impact on healthcare organizations and consumers. Discussion is to briefly discuss what the purpose of the American Disabilities Act of 1990 is. So this is still in effect. It just started in 1990. Discuss the financial impact to implement portions or all of the ADA Act in a clinical setting or an industry setting, and discuss what types of reasonable accommodations can be made without causing undue financial hardship to the employer. In the assignment, again, look at your syllabus for complete directions, but students are required to choose 3 important legal ethical issues in human resource management and describe the laws and their impact on healthcare organizations and employees, including the ethical implications that they present. Remember, law is different than ethical, okay? Again, as always, email me with any problems, questions, and I'll see you ladies online.